Stop sign is for fine. The stop sign, S-I-N-G, is for people on the service drive. And I had to make a right turn and go over the crossover. I'm going to show you guys that. "10 minutes, 5 minutes makes a difference when you go into your job or you're getting to school. This is the crossover. See people running lights. There's that guy there. And this could freeze if you're not careful. I'm gonna show you something. I use my blinker. I've had cars almost hit me, give me the middle finger, because these people are crazy. They don't use their blinker, so I'm gonna inch up. See me inching up. I don't know what they're doing. Literally blocking the intersection. Bro, see that? That is, yeah, they deserve that. Don't do that. Go up to the edge, look for a gap. My blinker's on, I'm looking. Okay, there's my gap. No honk horn for me. And I can set people off, fight, shoot. Not worth it. Service drive, 30 miles an hour. Taking my time. You got warning signs, regulatory signs. You want to stop for 3 seconds. It's something so important. I'm gonna stop. 1001, 1002, 1003.